Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add typewriter text effects in CapCut. So if you want to create a cool typewriter text effects on your videos using CapCut, you can just follow this guide to make your text appear letter by letter just like a real typewriter. So what you need to do is just open your CapCut and then just create a new project. Here I'm going to just find a video in a CapCut library. Okay, let's say I want to add this videos right here. Sorry. So just tap on add, and now you can just tap on the text tool and add the new text, then just type your message. Okay, you can change the font first if you want to. Okay, so I'm going to just use this italic font, and then you can adjust the durations of the text first. Now you can just find animations, and then under the in category just find the typing or typewriter animations. There are lots of options actually. You can just try one by one. This one is typing cursor, or this one is type 1, this one is typewriter. So you can just choose which one. Let's see if there are others. I think this one is retro typer. I think I'm going to just use the typewriter. This one, adjust the duration, and now you can tap on a check icon, and you can also add sound effects. You can go to the audio and tap on the sound effects, and here you can just find typing here. You can choose which one. I think I'm going to just use this one, the long one, and you can adjust the duration so that it fits with the text like this, and this is the final result. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye.